Good morning and welcome to Bartend Ranch. I was just doing a little bit of fishing before I go to work. That's how I like to unwind, prepare for the day. And I noticed a bunch of tracks. It rained this weekend pretty good. I'm going to teach you what I know about tracks. Let's see, so over here, these are coon tracks. There's another one there. This right here is a cat track. And I actually found a better one over here. Let's go over here. Right here. Beautiful cat track. Now, how I tell this is a cat is one, there's no nails. Two, if you were to draw a circle around this whole track, it'd be a circle. Whereas here I found some dog tracks. Let me see, that's more cat. Some more coon. Where did I see those coyote tracks? Right here. There's a coyote track right here. See the nail prints at the front? If you were to draw a circle around this, actually he stepped here, and this is his other track. He's stepping right on his tracks. But if you were to draw a circle around one paw print, it wouldn't be a circle, it'd be an oval. Yeah. There's coon, bobcat, coyote, and over there off that point is beaver. I may have to put a trail camera out just to catch some pictures of all these animals, see how frequent the coyotes are, if this would be a good place to predator hunt. It's just beautiful down here. Got a waterfall over there. But yeah, so that's my 2 cents on tracking this morning. I will catch y'all next time. Thanks for watching.